Here's the model 932, first one we built. See, it looks very similar to the 922 with the added entrance angle adjuster on the front. Added the color touchscreen display to it. Very similar menu structure to the 922, but with a new color feature. So we can look through some of these menus. Setup screen looks just the same. Backlight intensity control. You can calibrate the touchscreen, set the time, return main, or clear memory. You can see we have almost 33,000 measurements now, so quite a bit more than what we had in the 922. You notice at the top, Bluetooth, temperature and humidity, which needs to be calibrated, a battery life indicator, and date and time. If I plug it in to the USB, same as a 922, plug that in, you'll see you get the little USB indicator icon right up here. Indicate you're attached to the computer. So we'll go back to the main menu. View data screen. We've improved this a little bit, make it a little bit cleaner. Makes more sense. We'll scroll through the different menus that way. Get to the different readings, either slewing in 1,000, 100, 10, or 1 at a time. We only have 4 readings in memory right now, so I can just scroll 1 at a time. We can go ahead and calibrate the instrument. I'm going to use this white panel for the calibration standard. Value in that is 314, so already enter that in. We can click clear, 314, and continue. So we know that's at 0.2 and -4, so what I'll do is over here adjust the knob and set this to be -4. Once I have that set, place on my dark felt and click continue. It'll go through the 0 process. When it's done, now we'll put it on the calibration plaque. It's kind of in the middle here. It'll come with a calibration standard similar to the 922, but we haven't made that up for this one yet, so we're using the lab standards. Click calibrate. Measure screen, just click measure, or you can pull the trigger just like the 922. You see we got a reading a little bit off, it's 308. Pull the trigger. It's a little bit off, but it also reports the color. You can see the XY chromaticity coordinates right here, reporting the color. I'm going to add comments. This one just has the user comments standard keyboard in there. Use the shift key, switch between them, go back. Once you're done, save reading. Clears that out, goes to the next reading. So let's say this one you wanted to measure at, let's just do 1 degree. And we'll click measure. Quickly moves to 1 degree. Then you get 17.6. Let's say then you wanted to measure this yellow one. This is a DEQ material from 3M, so it should be quite a bit brighter. Click measure. There, 135. at 1 degree. Do 0.5 degrees. Measure 425, and we can go up to 2 degrees. You'll notice that some of them it's not reporting the color information. We're still working on getting the color calibrated for all different colors. Some of them it's saturating the detector, so we're not getting a good reading on it. So blue sample, pretty low value, less than 1. This one has the ability to report the color. Do 0.33 degrees. On a European standard. You can change this thing to be +5. Press measure again. There you go, 64, and the color values. We're done with there. We can type in Shift B LUE space DG Q. Turn measure, save reading. Return to main, view data. You can see our comment is in there now. Blue DGQ reports the temperature and humidity, date and time, color coordinates, entrance angle, observation angle. So this one also has the ability to plug it into the wall. You run it off wall power. So you can see, plug that in here. The battery icon changes to be on power. I can unplug it, let you know still at 100% battery. Plug it in, run it off wall power. That's it. That's the first little look at the 932.